Hey YouTube, Ashy Bear here. These noises that everyone's been hearing, I haven't heard them myself, but I've been watching the YouTube videos, and those noises are pretty damn scary. There are people that are saying it's a hoax, noises from scary movies being blasted through loudspeakers to scare people about 2012. Some people think it's legit, some people think it has something to do with God and Jesus and whatnot. I didn't read those comments. They kind of bored me. But there was also an episode of Unsolved Mysteries that I watched on YouTube that somebody posted a few days ago from the 90s. And they were doing reports on people that had been hearing these same noises. And apparently these noises were heard first in 1989. So, comments? Input? No? Have you heard these noises? Do you think they mean anything? Is it the end of the world? Is it aliens? Is it dinosaurs? I think the noises sound like dinosaurs. But that's my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below.